They start digging down to reach him. "We're tunneling to the beast," Carl whispers. "Why are we whispering?" "He's 6 feet below," Chris replies. Jimmy hears their muffled voices through the dirt. When they finally reach the side of his coffin, they carve penis into it. Jimmy groans. "What are you guys, 12? Apparently yes. With 10 hours left, Jimmy's holding in a 40-hour poop. Chris asks, "You haven't pooped?" Jimmy replies, "I'd rather be tased." And then, to spice things up, Chris sets off fireworks directly above the coffin. Smoke drifts down through the ventilation system. Jimmy coughs. "I can actually smell the smoke." Suddenly, this feels more like a survival thriller than a YouTube challenge. The final hour ticks down. Jimmy's heart pounds. His world has shrunk to a hot, cramped coffin filled with pee bottles and lit up by pink LEDs.